Good morning, everyone. It's the weekend. We are going to work on the Cessna 172 today. Stick around, see what we're up to. All right, everybody, we have made it to the airport. I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to be able to get done today. One of the owners is here. All right, so the owner's kind of still over there. I didn't want to film this in the hangar, but we have a brand new spinner bulkhead. It's not drilled for the rivets or the rib nuts, so we're going to have to put the propeller on and then drill that. Of course, there's one Cherry Max on this whole thing. Cherry Max have a weird little, see if I can get you to focus. They have a metal lock ring in there and a metal stem, so I gotta file that off. And then I'll be able to drill that off and pull it. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. I got the last of the windows out. Got a few little other things done to it here and there, but that's gonna do it. I'm gonna put the ailerons and some flaps on, but that might end up being a different video. If I film it, it's gonna just be, look at that, they're back on kind of thing. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, subscribe, support. If you don't, that's cool too. Enjoy your day.